Say hi to everybody. We are here, you guys, at Macdonald's. We are taking a Sipho on a date, an ice cream date. Yes, we've been at home the whole day. Kuyashisa, ugesi awukho. So I thought, you know, she hasn't been out in a while, so sizomkhipha uSipho. So this is Sipho's dates. That ice cream, nothing else, Sipho. You've already had lunch. No happy meal. Just ice cream. We said it's an ice cream date, so yeah. So we're waiting for Daddy to take out the tray and then somebody and enjoy ourselves. This is one of the first things this is one of the things we're doing for the first time after surgery, because we hadn't been out with this Sipho in a while. So now we get to explore and do new things. We haven't really been to the mall, but we're going to go soon and see how she does with the noise and all the pity there. So this is just us testing the waters. How does she do with abantu abaningi in an environment that is not home, and then we'll see how it goes. Are you excited, Sipho? Uzodla which ice cream? Which flavor? Which flavor? As long as it's ice cream, ne? Okay. Indaba. Hawu, ngempela nami ngiyasho ukuthi kade silindile. Kanti when is the ice cream coming? Uza nini ice cream? One. But babe, Mom Google, I have to pull her pants. Ehlile. Oh, okay. Umsindo wemoto. Perfect.
Inside, outside.
Inside. Uzogodola la uSipho. Sihlala endaweni enjani ke? Singala kunjani?
What?
I can sit here. Huh? Playroom for the kids. I like cooking. Perfect to Sipho. Hi, Sipho sethu. Injani i-dates so far. Did Daddy bring you flowers? He did not. He doesn't know how to go on a date, your dad. I'm here, Mama. I'm here. A lot of the times, you guys, she's just trying to figure out where she is, if she's safe, getting used to the environment, and then after a while she settles. Yeah, Mom. Yeah, here's the ice cream. I need salt ice cream. Yeah, but it looks like she's fine. She's fine, I think. This is good for her to get used to getting out of the house. And also, it's not too busy here. Like, Akpis is early, so it's a good place for us to test if she will be okay with spaces where there is a lot of people. So she seems to be doing okay now. And also, we're very close to home, so if she gets uncomfortable, we'll just go. There is no ice cream at this Macdonald's, so there's nothing that we can have that is ice cream when we are determined to have ice cream because it's been hot all day. So we want to go try another one. Did you come out to the office? All of this work for nothing, getting out of the chair, people getting comfortable, only to find out there's no ice cream. Macdonald's. No, it didn't. Next time we must find out first ukuthi khona inland esifunayo before
Sifundile-ke namhlanje.
sehla.
Ngizifunda.
Sorry, Sipho. Do you forgive us? Yeah, sorry, Mom. Uzowudla wena lo ice cream esifunayo. Askes, Mom. So we're gonna try another McDonald's, or we might end up going to the mall. But yeah, it's still like a positive thing that we can go out with her, and she doesn't get hysterical and cry and all that. So it's still positive for us. It's like gives us an indication that she's now okay enough for us to be doing our outings with her. So it's good. It's normal life. Sometimes things don't go the way that you want them to, and you make another plan. So that's what we're doing now.